Welcome to this Mockplus video. Today, we're going over how Mockplus can bring your designers and developers together through shared resource libraries. The Mockplus design system can help designers, product managers and developers collect assets and manage design systems efficiently, all in one place. Designers can quickly create a design system library either directly in Mockplus or through the Sketch plugin. These libraries are then used by both the design team and the developer team to bridge the gap between the two. Now let's take a look at how Mockplus's design system bridges the gap between design and development. Let's first look at how to set CSS variable names in a design system. Switch to the design system page by pressing the design system icon in the left-hand navigation bar in Mockplus Cloud. In Mockplus DS, you can see the library added by the designer, including colors, text styles, layer styles, components, icons, images, and more. To view the details of a component, click on any element in the library and the properties appear on the right-hand side Properties panel. In addition, we can also set the CSS variable name and tags. It should be noted that setting CSS variable names and tags requires editing permissions inside the design system. The owner of the design system can configure editor permissions on the design library details page. After setting the variable name, we can link the resource library with the corresponding project. In the lower left corner of the design system, you can select the linked design project. You can also link the project with the design system in the development mode of the project. After linking these, when viewing the properties of the design in development mode, the property panel will display the variable name of the corresponding element. Now you can bring your design teams and development teams together, ensuring fast and efficient design system sharing.